I'm going to show you how to access and install the Display Link Manager applications. If you're looking at this document, please scroll down to where this link is here, where it says Mac Installers. Again, you're going to need to know exactly what operating system you have, and you can do that by looking at the video above of how to figure out what your operating system is. So once you know that, you're going to click here, and when you click on the display link, it's going to take you to this here. If I click on this, you're going to see the different operating systems that are available. If you click on this, you can go ahead and double click on this and it will start the installation process. Go through the steps if prompted and restart your computer when finished. When you are all done, you want to make sure that the Display Link Manager application has been appropriately installed. So what you'd want to do is check your hard drive by double clicking it, again going to Applications, pressing the letter D, and again if you are a newer operating system, which would be Big Sur and Catalina, you would actually see the application here, drag it to your dock, click and hold on it, and use the options to have an automatic login. If you are an older operating system, that would be Mojave and High Sierra, again, you will not see the app, but you will see a folder with an uninstaller here. Do not uninstall it again. Try connecting to your device and see if you have better success. We have found this to be so, period. If you still are having issues, please contact Technology Help Desk Request. I will provide a link for you in this particular document.